Friday!
Ah, Friday. Ready for this weekend.
Cheers to that.
Yep. All right, we're on back up in our favorite spot, southwest side of Mt St Helens here in beautiful Washington State. And yeah, we got camp going on.
Camp herd up in here.
Yep, we got camp. Ready for do a little hiking tomorrow. We are.
Got a 7-mile hike.
It's like 7.
Butte Camp
Trail.
We actually did this trail 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah. So 1,700 feet. It's beautiful and in the forest, and then it goes to switchbacks.
Oh, switchbacks.
That'll be fun. So, yeah, we got cooking some mac and cheese on the grill, ready for some steaks. Got some beers. All right, yeah.
Where do you need? At least on our PNW adventures. That's all we need.
Oh yeah.
And then we got steaks, garlic.
Morning.
Morning. Camping coffee. Not really any coffee, but
Yep. Gonna be a beautiful day. Hiking fuel, baby. Woo!
well, good morning from the Butte Camp Trail. Welcome to another edition of our PNW Adventures.
Yep, we're all socked in up here. Usually from this spot we have a fantastic view of Mt St Helens right there. But
We get clouds today.
we get clouds, at least for a little while. Hopefully it burns off and we
Whoa.
can see a little bit of the mountain.
There's the sun.
Oh, there's the sun a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna be hiking in the clouds in a little bit.
4 miles till we get to the Butte Trail.
Butte Trail, and about 1,700 feet, something like that. So let's go. Oh, hey there.
Whew.
Yeah, we're still going up.
Up, up, up. It's beautiful though. It feels so good.
Yep. It's nice that it's all damp and stuff. Switchbacks of in front of us a little bit.
They're a bitch. But we can do it.
Made it to Butte Camp.
So pretty.
Yeah. That's how we remembered it, like being here 5 years ago. Remember it was so hot that this little creek was our savior when we got down by. All right. Here's the switchbacks.
It's time.
It's time. Time to go up 1,000 feet. Let's go. There you go up there.
We're gonna be in the clouds.
In the
Well,
we're on the outer clouds now. We're gonna go to beginner clouds. And the temperature has dropped. So sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts are back on. Yeah. Made it.
We did it. The mountain disappeared.
Good job.
Thanks, you too.
We have officially made it to the
Butte
Trail.
And for those that don't know, the Butte is the trail that goes all the way around Mt St Helens. I think it's like
That thing up there. Can't you see it?
36, 32 miles
Lots.
around the mountain.
Yeah, we traveled 4 miles up from road 8100.
Now it's time for some
Food.
food. I need some sustenance.
You see a mountain goat or something. I think you just see them like jumping all around out here. Bah!
Alright, we are done with our snack break, lunch break. It is really cold up here, so we are going to head back down. We're done at the Butte Trail for today.
Yep. Cold.
Go back to our camp.
So, goodbye from the Butte Trail. We will see you again.
Mt St Helens. She's back.
Oh yeah.
Back there somewhere.
She's up there somewhere.
She's having a bad day.
She's having a bad day. She's
Bad
like,
hair day.
She's like,
Not today.
All right, let's go. Going down is so much better. Made it back to the lava field, and the mountain is still hiding.
Freaking beautiful out though. We rocked it.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Sweet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Bertha. My feet, Bertha. Mamita. Good hike.
Yeah.
Sweating. Leaving the sweatshirt on, the sweat off last night's beers, so. Fun fact. There you go. There's blooper reel.
It's like the full moon energy tonight.
Oh.
There's like a lot of people in our nature spot.
God, we got all these Portland people coming up here. And just like yelling and screaming. And I'm like, I'm just trying to get my chat on up here. I come up with nature and I'm like hiking in my bare feet. Just like grounding down with nature. And I even got my crystals on and put them right on my van to charge them up. Even though the moon's like on the other side of the planet right now, it doesn't come up until like 8:22. And plus it's gonna be cloudy, but still, you can get amazing
Full moon
energy, even if it's cloudy. And then we have all these people coming up and being loud. I'm not, you know, raining on the parade, but God. All right. Well, there. That was your Chad saying hi and giving you the 411 on what's going on today. Full moon. Later.
We need. Yeah. Cheers. Oh God. I don't know what that was. And wait.
Like Ralphie's brother in the Christmas story. What do little pigs do? Oink, oink. Wow.